Welcome to 155 Silverwood Trail. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage and fenced backyard. It's located in the Lake Carolina neighborhood in Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-77, Northeast Columbia amenities, as well as Richland 2 schools and the Jeep Rogers YMCA. We're out in the front yard now. The neighborhood has sidewalks on the opposite side of the street, but not on this one. You have a large driveway and 2-car garage, and once we take a look from the inside, you'll see there's some additional sort of built-ins and other features in there as well. But a nicely landscaped front yard as well. You have a covered front entry, and the front door does have a screen door on it as well. So we will step inside. First thing you'll notice right as we enter the foyer are the hardwood floors. Those are real hardwoods. They are in the foyer or entry area and continue into the formal dining room that is immediately off of the entry, which itself has a nice large picture window looking out over the front yard. Also chair rail and crown molding. The living room is straight ahead of us. On your left side here you have the kitchen. You have a nice open floor plan in the main living area with vaulted ceilings. There's a ceiling fan in the living room. And then you have some bar seating at the edge of the kitchen counter there. Those hardwoods continue into the kitchen also, which has its own eat-in dining area. There are a couple of, actually those 2 circular, what look like lights, I believe those are solar tubes or sort of like a skylight coming from the outside, so just some natural light even if you turn the lights off in the daytime. Included appliances in here are a refrigerator, electric stove, microwave, and dishwasher. Your sink is looking out towards the living room. You can see you have some nice column details and sort of a pass through to the other areas over there as well. You also have a pantry in the kitchen, and this door accesses the 2-car garage that we mentioned before. So out in the garage, you can see it's 2 cars. It has a light and ceiling fan in it as well. There's a vehicle parked in here as of now for reference. It's a smaller mid-sized SUV to give you an idea of space. But on this side, you have some built-in shelving, as well as sort of some hanging space there. You also have some built-in cabinets and a utility sink. It's also where your water heater is. And on this side, you have sort of a small work area, and then some built-in cabinets and drawers kind of running along the length of that wall. So it does take a little bit of space out of the garage for parking, but you should still be able to fit 2 vehicles in here. It may be a little bit tight though. So the living room, again, have the vaulted ceilings in here. You have a fireplace. It's a gas log fireplace. You have some nice molding going up the wall. There are some built-in or included AV cables there to hook up a TV possibly if you did want to mount one there or place it sort of on that ledge. And then off of the living room you have a small sunroom or floor room. It has carpeting that continues from the living room. You also do have a little bit of tile there by the door, but you can see windows or doors that look like windows essentially on 3 sides of that. It's a nice size, and you access the backyard via this door. So we have a patio out back and a nice fenced backyard, sort of a wood picket fence. And the yard does continue around to that side. Most of the grass is sort of contained in the inner area. I believe that out there is more sandy or had been mulched previously. So pretty small amount of grass to take care of. Alright, now that we're back inside, we'll take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. The home has a split floor plan. So the master is right ahead of us. There are a couple of closets on the way. You have a coat closet here, as well as another linen closet. And then the master bedroom has sort of a half vault ceiling. No light in the ceiling fan here, just keep that in mind. So you would need some lamps if you like more light in here than this. This is sort of the shadier side of the house. You also do have a walk-in closet, which is a really nice size. And a full bathroom with tile flooring. You have double sinks in here and a section in the center where you can slide a chair or stool underneath. You also have a garden tub, nice glass block window, letting in some natural light, and a small walk-in shower. And then your commode is on the opposite side. And then on the other side of the living area, you have your 2 additional bedrooms and full bath. So this one faces the front, nice large window like the one in the dining room. You have a ceiling fan in here as well. And a pretty standard size closet behind 2 bifold doors. There's an attic pull down here also, as well as a linen closet. You can see your bathroom there. We'll take a look at that in just a second. But you have a laundry room off the hall, full-size washer and dryer connections in here. There's a shelf above as well. And then right across the hall again, you have a bathroom, the same tile flooring, I believe from the master, single vanity, and a shower and tub. You have a window above the tub as well. And then last but not least, your 3rd bedroom. This one faces the backyard. You have a ceiling fan also in here, as well as a closet here. You have a little bit of extra shelving built into that one. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 155 Silverwood Trail in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information on this home by visiting turnerproperties.com.